Hi, my name is Darren from Versoflor. I'm here today to show you how to install our mosaics and how fun and creative that process really is. So, okay, let me show you what we've got here. We've got our pineapple design here, and I'm going to complete this design by inserting some black mosaics along this line here, so it's the same as the other design. So it's very simple to do. The mosaic, just offer it up to the hole, and it just clips into place. There are two prongs to hold each mosaic in place. That's a super secure fit, and they will not come out from the front. You can't pick them out or knock them out, and that's so that it's a secure fitment and children can't pick them out, for example. But if you make a mistake and want to remove it, it's fairly easy to do. You need to turn the tile over with a pair of pin no pliers, just push the prongs together and the mosaics will come out nice and easily for you. They are reusable. I'm going to just put those back in again for you to demonstrate that. And there we go. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I'm going to just put this complete this design by finishing assembling these tiles together, and let's just simply clicks together. No tools, no fixings, no hammers. It's really simple and intuitive to put together. The mosaics come in a range of colors which enable you to create any design you like. Any image that can be pixelated can be recreated on our tile system. As you can see here, we've got 6 pineapples and not a pina colada to drink.